Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your Royal Caribbean suite experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Serenade of the Seas. Now this particular category is one of my family's favorite in the entire fleet. It's a 2-bedroom owner suite, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, and you can hold up to 8 passengers in here. I'll show you the beautiful room in just a second, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on harrtravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, and still get that Harr Travel signature service. Now let's tour the space. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, you've got a little side table here. I do like that. I always put my key right there so I don't forget it. Now let's head into the first of the 2 bathrooms we're gonna see here today. You have your step-in shower right here. I do love the fact that they don't have a shower curtain. They've got these shower doors that bow out. I'm 6'6". I actually do fit in here. You've got your adjustable shower wand there. And then over here, you're gonna have your single vanity. You've got storage just behind the mirror here, a little bit underneath, and toilet tucked in the corner. Now, if you're traveling with the family or a group of friends, it's so nice to have a full second bathroom like that. Now we're in the main living room space. You've got your dining room table right here. You can order off an expanded room service menu, or you can dine 24 hours a day right here in the room. Now on the other side, you're gonna have a writing desk that doubles as a vanity. You can sit here to get ready. There's 2 US plugs and a Euro plug to charge. You're gonna have a little carafe here for tea. You also have a Lavazza coffee maker. Now I start my day every single day at home with an Italian coffee. I love that I can do that here on board in my suite as well. Now there's a little bit of storage up and down, and now we're gonna head into the main living room space. Now I mentioned earlier that you can sleep up to 8 passengers. If you do, this would be 1 sleeping space. It's a bed, couch that does fold out. So you're gonna have your coffee table right here in the middle. You're gonna have 2 side tables, a nice reading chair, and then you have a ton of storage underneath here, ton of storage up above as well. And you're gonna find the first of the flat screen TVs. It's interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship and of course watch television. Now, one of the best features about this particular suite is its location on the aft corner of the ship. We'll take you out there in just a minute. Now let's head into the second bedroom. So as we walk in here, you're gonna see you have a nice large king size bed, tons of room for storage underneath. Now this does separate apart into 2 twins if you prefer. You're gonna have nightstands on either side with a drawer where you can tuck things away. And so if you separate that out, the nightstands would come to the middle. And there's also 2 Pullman beds up here as well. So you can pull those down and actually have 4 separate beds in this space. Now directly across from the bed, you're gonna find your storage space. So you've got hanging storage here. That bar is gonna pull down for a little more hanging storage and a little storage up above as well. Now I do love this feature. It's a door, so you can shut that off and have that separation. And also as I head into the main bedroom, you also have a door here. I love traveling with my family, but the ability to have that extra level of separation is something that's pretty rare on a cruise ship. Now, as we head on in, I just wanted to point out, you have more storage right here, so hanging storage, and then that would pull down. That would be utilized for those who are here in the living room if you're using it as a bedroom space. Now let's head into the main bedroom here. You've got another large royal king size bed. It does separate apart if you'd like to do that. Storage underneath, and then on either side of the nightstands. Now they don't have plugs on the nightstand, so I always bring a backup battery. I can charge it during the day, and then I can utilize it to charge my devices in the evening. Now you're gonna have another flat panel TV right here. You've got storage up and down, another vanity where you can sit and get ready, 2 US plugs and a Euro plug. I also bring a USB splitter so I can plug that in and then charge 5 or 6 different devices at the same time if need be. Storage up on the sides and then in the drawers as well. And then right here, you're gonna find more storage. It's gonna slide over. So you've got those robes, nice and comfy, one of those suite level amenities. And then you're gonna have quite a bit more storage. Your safe is tucked just in the corner, hanging storage and up and down. Now you're gonna get quite a few different amenities because you're in the full suite. You'll have access to the suite concierge lounge. They do a cocktail hour there every single day. Also continental breakfast and hors d'oeuvres in the evening. Now you can see that on our full ship tour if you'd like to check it out. In addition, you're also gonna have sun deck space and special space reserved in the theater, along with all the other different upgraded amenities. You've got a little bit of storage tucked over here in the corner, and then we're gonna head into the bathroom. Now in here, you've got your large vanity, storage up and down and underneath, toilet tucked in the corner, and this is a shower tub combo. Does have a shower curtain. You've got the adjustable shower wand, but I love the idea that you have the shower and a separate soaking tub. I travel a lot with my family when my daughter was little. Having a bathtub is such a bonus. Another one of those upgrades, you've got the Malin and Getz and the Gilchrist and Soames updated bath amenities to use throughout your stay. Now, just a really quick recap, if you're gonna have 8 passengers in here, you can put 4 in there with the 4 separate beds. You also have 2 in the main bedroom and then 2 out here in the living room as well. So that's gonna be very similar to the Royal's 2-bedroom grand suites on the other ship, but this is a little more grandiose, so you've got the owner suite tag. So now we're out on your private veranda space. Now you can see what I'm talking about. I love the fact that this is on the aft corner. You have incredible unobstructed aft views. I know for me, when I'm traveling in the aft of the ship, you can see the wake, you can sail away from the world. In fact, we'll be sailing away from Seattle here in just a few hours and really start enjoying everything that's wonderful about a cruise. The fresh air, the views, and of course, you can dine right out here on your balcony. You can take advantage of that expanded room service menu and have breakfast, lunch, or dinner right here. You've got a couple chairs, they can bring a couple more. You also have these 2 loungers here behind me, but what it's all about is those incredible unobstructed views out to the aft. Now, when you're ready to book your next room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on harrtravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, and get that Harr Travel signature service and experience throughout.